He's ready to go. How are the flies, Dad?
Numerous. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's kind of a cool spot. Then we won't have to leave our stuff just sitting out here. Here we go.
Goodbye, civilization. Bugs are pretty bad. Yeah. Should come up here beaver trapping. One dam, two dam. All right.
Big old pond here now.
Yeah.
Might as well be in Canada.
I see it moves. That's where we're headed. There's that storm. Whew. We just missed that storm. We're on the fringes of it. There might be more coming. It's a cool little spot.
Huh?
This is a cool little spot.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Narrow.
Grab some stuff off. There's a bed right there.
There's a couple of them.
Smallies, I wonder.
Rock bass or
Yeah, there's another one.
for one out.
Yep. It's like a sunfish.
Big rock bass.
You think so? Yeah. I think it's a rock. I think you can see that.
See, we're actually walking right.
Get me biffing it.
This way?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can stick it underwater. You just hold them up.
I got a nice fish. Make him look really big.
Go to our camp. Tea. How was the trip, Dad?
Very good. I'm glad I had someone carrying the canoe.
Breakfast Friday. What's the date? 14th. We survived.
That's a nice sound.
You're really suffering.
It's got a good smell to it. Right there. Okay.
Yeah, right on these weeds.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
You might go like what, 28 maybe?
You want me to net them? Oh damn, that's a stud. You want me to net them? I want to lose that lure.
He already came out.
Alright.
There. Oh yeah. There you go.
Yeah.
It'd be dinner, buddy. I broke my lure right there. They might go 30 maybe?
I don't know.
All the way across.
28.
Not quite, yeah. Ouch.
Biggest one so far.
Nice ones in there.
You're not even 20. Yeah.
Razor sharp.
Yep. Shore lunch. Have a little fish fry.
Why don't you go show them your fish?
Shore lunch. Eater Northern.
Oh yeah.
Be good eats. Fresh. Lard. That's got the fish. Stack of fillets. It's a lot different than 5 minutes ago.
Okay, here we go.
What's the breading?
It's this.
Hey, we got some of them crackers.
What's that?
Want to crumple up some of them crackers and throw them in there?
No, I want to see it. There you go. Get some. Here, what you can do is get out some of that paper towel.
Yeah.
And we'll put them on there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be cooking fish for a while. Golden brown. Better go let them go a little more.
Yeah.
They curl right up.
Fine dining.
Fish restaurant.
Yeah. Fishing. Well, we don't have the chip. There's the fries.
Need a little more salt on it?
I know.
Salt.
There was a remote lake we wanted to explore and see if we could get our canoe there. There was no clear portage or trail, and we bushwhacked for 0.8 miles one way. We didn't end up bringing the canoe and decided to just fish and explore the lake's banks.
No one would go then. The voyageur